Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have HUAWEI FreeLace xSport Pro Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earphones are not connecting to your Bluetooth device, or if they're not syncing or pairing, or if you're just having any kind of issues where you're only getting sound out of one ear or you're getting distorted sound, anything like that can very often be fixed with this hard reset to the factory default settings. Also, if you just want to get these set up as a new set of headphones and pair them like as if you're pairing them as a new set, we can go ahead and do this. This will clear everything out. So all we need to do on this one, there's no light or anything like that. We're just going to come in and press this play pause button and just press and hold it and we're just going to count like 10 to 15 seconds. And once we do that, we can release it. And you'll notice you'll need to re-pair it with whatever devices you have because all of the pairing history will have been wiped off of it. You can go ahead and set them up as a new set of headphones.